What if I told you that you could start making $222 a day with just a few hours of work from anywhere you want? Just a year ago, I was exactly where you might be right now, struggling to make ends meet, feeling drained, and wondering if this was all life had to offer. I'd spent years pouring my energy into a job that barely covered my bills, leaving me too tired to enjoy what little free time I had. It felt like I was stuck in a never-ending loop with no end in sight. One evening, after a particularly exhausting day, I came across something intriguing, a system called Digital Boss Academy. At first, I brushed it off as another gimmick. I'd seen plenty of programs that promised quick cash but never delivered. Yet something about this was different. It was designed for people like me, those who wanted real, steady income without needing tons of experience or advanced skills. Instead of big promises, it offered practical steps, emphasizing small, achievable goals that added up over time. I couldn't get it out of my mind, so I took a leap of faith and joined. I started small, just dedicating a few hours each day after work. In the first few weeks, I made around $222, a far cry from life-changing money, but it gave me hope. I kept at it, making little adjustments to try new strategies and watching the tutorials they provided. Every week, the income grew steadily. I was surprised by how easily I could fit it into my schedule, whether it was during lunch breaks, weekends, or even a quick check-in from my phone. Before I knew it, my weekly income was consistently over $1,000. The Academy provided everything I needed, from done-for-you templates to resale opportunities that allowed me to make a profit without reinventing the wheel. They even had a supportive community where I could connect with others who had also started from scratch. The encouragement from people who understood my journey made all the difference. Within 6 months, I'd crossed $5,000 per month, an amount I'd never dreamed of earning on my own. The best part? I didn't need fancy equipment or a special background. Everything could be done from my phone or laptop with tools and templates that were already provided by Digital Boss Academy. Now I have the freedom to work when and where I want, and I can finally say yes to things I used to only dream about, like traveling, spending more time with family, and investing in my passions. What if I told you that joining Volume 2 of Digital Boss Academy could double your earnings potential, allowing you to make $222 per sale while still benefiting from $111 per sale on Volume 1. Imagine turning every hour of effort into pure profit that scales with you. A year ago, I was stuck in a cycle of mediocrity, working hard but barely moving forward financially. Then I discovered Digital Boss Academy and took a chance on myself. I started with Volume 1 and saw instant results, earning $111 per sale. That extra cash gave me hope and proof that this system worked. But here's what changed everything. I decided to level up and invest in Volume 2. Why? Because it unlocked a whole new earning potential. Suddenly, I wasn't just making $111 per sale, I was making $222 per sale while continuing to earn on Volume 1. Think about it. Would you rather earn $111 per sale or $222 per sale plus $111 for every Volume 1 sale? Upgrading to Volume 2 was like flipping a switch on my financial growth. With its enhanced resources, advanced templates, and step-by-step strategies, scaling my income became faster and easier than ever before. I started seeing $1,000 weeks turn into $5,000 months, all while working the same number of hours. The best part, Volume 2 gave me exclusive tools that were unavailable in Volume 1. The more I shared this opportunity, the more my earnings multiplied. That's the beauty of Volume 2. You're not just getting the tools to succeed, you're getting the leverage to build a sustainable and scalable income. Why Volume 2 over Volume 1? Let's break it down. Higher earnings potential. With Volume 1, you make $111 per sale. With Volume 2, you make $222 per sale and continue earning $111 per sale for Volume 1. Advanced resources, exclusive templates, promotional materials, and tools designed for faster growth and higher conversions. 2 streams of income. You earn on both volumes, maximizing your ROI and compounding your profits with every sale. Ultimate leverage. Position yourself as a premium affiliate, offering not just Volume 1, but the full Volume 2 experience. The question is simple. Do you want to limit yourself to $111 per sale, or would you rather open the door to earning $222 and have both streams working for you? It's time to take control of your financial future and upgrade to Volume 2 of Digital Boss Academy. For a one-time investment, you're not just joining a program, you're unlocking a system designed to multiply your income. Click below to join Volume 2 today. Don't settle for less when you can earn more. Let's turn your $222 investment into a scalable, life-changing income. Join now and let's make your financial freedom a reality. What if a one-time investment of $222 could open the door to consistent income, financial freedom, and a lifestyle you design on your terms? Imagine making your first $222 in just a few hours, then watching it grow month after month. What if I told you that your investment in Digital Boss Academy could pay for itself within days? Imagine making $111 or even $222 almost instantly. Here's how: once you're inside Digital Boss Academy, you get instant access to powerful resell rights, meaning you can turn around and start earning immediately. Let's break it down. With just one sale, you could be pocketing $111 or even $222. That's right, just by sharing this opportunity with someone else, you're already on track to double your initial investment. And here's the best part: every sale after that is pure profit, straight into your pocket. With the Academy's done-for-you templates and step-by-step guidance, promoting Digital Boss Academy is as easy as copy-paste post. Whether you have a large following or are just starting out, these resources make it possible for anyone to start earning. Imagine watching that $222 investment come back to you after your very first few sales and then growing that income day after day. So if you're ready to see real results and take control of your financial future, click below to get started with Digital Boss Academy today. Let's turn that one-time investment into a lasting stream of income. With Digital Boss Academy, this isn't just a dream. It's a proven step-by-step system created to help you start making real money online, even if you're a complete beginner. Here's exactly what you'll get for a one-time cost of $222. No hidden fees, no ongoing charges. Comprehensive training. Digital Boss Academy is your complete guide to starting and scaling a profitable online business with easy-to-follow video lessons and practical resources. Done-for-you templates. Kickstart your online business with customizable templates, perfect for creating professional content fast and effortlessly. Master resell rights, MRR. This is more than just a course. You'll also gain rights to resell parts of the program, allowing you to start earning money right away by sharing this opportunity with others. Supportive community. Connect with a community of like-minded individuals who are on the same journey, there to support, encourage, and share tips along the way. Bonus resources. From niche-specific strategies to Canva tutorials and financial guides, you'll have all the tools you need to succeed right from the start. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? With just $222, you can start creating a business that fits your life and goals. Click below to join Digital Boss Academy and begin your journey today. Don't miss this opportunity to build the lifestyle you deserve. Imagine earning extra income just by sharing a simple link. No need for fancy marketing skills or a huge social media following. With Digital Boss Academy, you don't need any prior experience or complex skills to start making money. Here's how it works. Once you join, you get Master Resell Rights, MRR. That means you have the right to resell a course to others and keep 100% of the profits. You don't have to be an expert or spend years learning sales tactics. Everything you need is already provided within the Academy. Plug and play templates. You'll receive done-for-you social media templates and promotional materials. Just copy, paste, and post on your social media platforms, even if you're brand new to online marketing. Digital Boss Academy shows you how to leverage popular social media platforms no matter your experience level or comfort with being on camera. The best part: you can share and promote your link without ever showing your face. With the resources from Digital Boss Academy, you'll be able to use these social media platforms without showing your face. It's never been easier to start generating income online, so click the link below to begin your journey today. Community support. You're not alone in this. When you join, you'll get access to a community where you can ask questions, hit feedback, and learn what's working for others who are also reselling Digital Boss Academy. It's like having a team supporting you every step of the way. This isn't just a course. It's a tool to help you earn money right from the start with resources that do the heavy lifting for you. If you're ready to start making money online, click below to get access. With Digital Boss Academy, you can start generating income without needing experience or social media skills. Let this be your first step toward financial freedom. I know you are asking yourself, how I'll get paid? As a reseller with Digital Boss Academy, you have complete control over your earnings. Here's how you can easily get paid for your sales. Instant access to funds with services like PayPal or Cash App. Funds are often available almost immediately after a sale. If you choose Stripe, it may take a couple of days for the money to be deposited, but it's a straightforward process to transfer those funds to your bank account. Anyone looking for financial freedom, whether you want to pay off debt, save for a dream vacation, or achieve long-term financial independence, Digital Boss Academy equips you with the knowledge and skills to make that a reality. Digital Boss Academy isn't just a program. It's your gateway to financial freedom and a flexible lifestyle. Imagine waking up each day with the ability to work from anywhere, build your own schedule, and create a sustainable income, all while gaining the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the digital marketplace. This is more than just an opportunity. It's a chance to transform your life. Click the link below to join Digital Boss Academy today and start your journey toward financial independence and personal fulfillment. Don't wait for tomorrow to create the future you desire. Take action now, and let's turn your dreams into reality together.